quick video here to answer a question from one of our users, which I thought I would do via a video because it might be of wider interest. And very simply, the user wanted to know whether it was possible when her application restarted for all previous searches to be cleared, because that's not the default. So let me quickly show you what I mean. So for instance, if we say do a quick search on CA, we then see these columns here. And if we now say do a column filter on city, then we filter here to 47. So we've got both a column filter and a quick search working. And in fact, we can do a grid filter. So let's create a simple grid filter where we'll say, for instance, we're interested where ask is greater than, and let's choose another column. So let's say ask is greater than Bloomberg ask. Don't worry about the data, it's completely nonsensical, meaningless data. But there we are. So we've run a grid filter, we've run a column filter, and we've run a quick search, and that's why we see 20 instead of 300 rows, and it's why we see those in yellow. And now they will get saved, so the quick search will get saved into quick search state, and the column filter and the grid filter will get saved into the layout, which means if I now refresh this grid, even though I'll see a different set of random data, we'll see when we refresh the page, we still have city, we still have the quick search, and we still have the grid filter, and this time 19 rows get sent. So how then do we prevent that from happening? How do we stop those from being saved? And the way you do it is through three properties, all in adaptable options section. So the first is in quick search options, where we have to clear quick search on startup. The default is false, we don't clear. Again, for grid filter options, you can clear the grid filter on startup, and for column filter options, you can clear the column filter on startup. So those are the three properties, and here we've set them all to this property here, which is false. But if I was now to set it to true, when my grid now automatically reloads, you can see that this time we have lost everything. We don't have the search, we don't have the column filter. And now if I was to put that back, so if I was to do BMP, and if I was to search on AU, now when I refresh my grid, they will both be lost. So there we are. If you want to clear your searches and your filters on startup, you just need to set these three properties in the three sections of adaptable options. As always, thank you for watching. If you've got any questions about Adaptable, please get in touch. We'll be happy to answer them. Or indeed, if you're not using Adaptable and you'd like a free, no obligation trial license or a personalized demo, please get in touch and we'll be happy to help.